So here's a demo of Archie AI. So customer types the query in natural language that, for example, generate three-tier architecture for AWS. They right away get the architecture. They get the summary that what it architecture is about, what are some key components of this architecture, and there are also suggestion that what alternative could be used. And the next step, like architecture has certain limitation, what should be explored is also. Uh, in this simple demo, there are also I have cached certain example like generate 3-tier architecture in GCP. It gives that. Uh, Let me try a new one where you can type your generate highly available, let's say, web app on Google Cloud. Now, at this time, we have not done much optimization on latency. As we get the response, it's going to model, which has been trained, which is mostly prompt engineer, has given a RAG database of architectural knowledge components and also has some high quality examples access to it. And then it's we use an open source library for it to generate the code. Then we parse the code, run it to render the image, which you get out here. So this is the image that you got. It rightly understood that okay, there is a CDN for static content. There is load balancer. The data is the business logic here is in the compute cluster. Your static content and maybe images and all will be here in the cloud storage. Now, for a typical customer architect, doing this would have meant downloading all these logos, putting it in a file, getting even the first draft is a big challenge. Now it gives a nice summary for them to get started, which are the components here, and there is a code they can change it. In future, we can make it really easy for it to be drag and drop and generate the deployment as well. It as well gives you the next step to get started. Even today, there is an option for customer to put and tweak the code to generate different in case they don't get the first draft good enough. So that's the quick demo. Let me us know your feedback.